Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain what is Notion, so let's get started. So, what is Notion? Notion is an all-in-one productivity workspace designed to help you organize your entire life and work in one place. As you scroll through the Notion website, you'll notice it blends notes, documents, project management, and databases into one simple, flexible tool. You can create pages for anything tasks, goals, class notes, business systems, content calendars, or even entire wikis. Everything is built using blocks, so you can add text, images, checklists, embeds, and databases and arrange them however you want. This makes Notion super customizable for any workflow. Whether you're a student trying to stay organized, a freelancer managing clients, or a team building a shared knowledge base, Notion adapts to exactly what you need. You can connect pages together, build dashboards, automate views, and track everything visually using tables, boards, calendars, and timelines. It also syncs across all your devices and offers tons of templates to help you get started instantly. From personal productivity to team collaboration, Notion gives you the freedom to design your own system instead of being forced into a rigid app structure. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial how to set up Notion daily. So let's get started. We're going to build a better daily planner from scratch using Notion databases. The power of a database is that it can be viewed in multiple ways like a calendar, a list, or a board, and we can use filters to view the data differently. First, use /calendar to create a full-page calendar database. You can rename this something simple like Planner. This will be our central hub for adding tasks throughout the week. You can click on any day to add tasks like Item 1 inch or Item 2, and you can drag them across the week. Now we need a list view just for today's tasks to time block. Create a second view using /table view. Crucially, when prompted, select the existing planner database we just made, do not create a new one. This links the two views. Rename this new table view to Today. Next, click the plus sign and add a checkbox property to the database. We'll just use a space for the name and drag it to the side. Since these two views are linked, the checkbox now appears everywhere. Finally, we need to filter this Today view. Click the filter icon and set a filter where the date is relative to today and is set to this day. Now, this table only shows tasks due today, making weekly planning much easier. You can even hide the date property since everything here is for today. To time block, add a simple text property, rename it Time, and enter times like 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. to structure your day. Now you have a master calendar view for the week and a filtered, organized list view for today, and the checkbox property lets you easily track completions in both. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to use Notion, so let's get started. Today, I'll give you a simple walkthrough of how to use Notion by explaining the main options you'll use to perform tasks inside the app. When you open Notion, everything starts with pages. You can create a new page using the plus new page button, and inside that page you'll use blocks. These are the building pieces of Notion. You can add text, headings, checklists, toggles, images, videos, and even embeds just by typing. One of Notion's most powerful features is databases. You can create tables, boards, calendars, lists, and timelines to track tasks, projects, goals, or anything else you want to organize. Each database item can also be opened as its own page, allowing you to store more detailed information. You also have the sidebar, which helps you navigate between pages, create folders, and keep your workspace organized. Notion also allows templates, which instantly set up ready-made layouts for planners, wikis, dashboards, or project systems. This saves a lot of time instead of building everything from scratch. You can also connect pages together with mentions and internal links, making your workspace feel structured and easy to navigate. And because everything syncs instantly, you can use Notion seamlessly across desktop, mobile, or browser. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to use callout in Notion. So let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how to use callout blocks in Notion. If you're new to Notion and want to make your notes more engaging, callout blocks are one of the easiest ways to highlight important information and make your pages easier to read. To create one, simply type /callout. You'll see a drop-down appear. Click on Callout, and Notion will instantly generate a block with an icon and a colored background. This is perfect for drawing attention to key reminders, tips, warnings, or anything you don't want to miss. Once the block appears, just click inside and start typing your text. Think of it as a digital highlighter. Whether it's an important fact, a quick note, or a task you want to prioritize, adding it inside a callout helps it stand out from the rest of your content. You can also customize the look. Click the icon to change it, choose from emojis, or upload your own. Then click the block to change the background color. Notion gives you several color options, so you can match your style or organize your notes visually. Callout blocks are versatile and can be used in almost any type of page: study notes, checklists, recipes, project planning, reminders, and more. Using them thoughtfully can make your workspace more organized, colorful, and easy to scan. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to create a wiki in Notion, so let's get started. Today, I'll show you how to quickly set up a wiki in Notion, a perfect way to organize notes, team resources, or a knowledge base. Instead of building everything from scratch, we'll use Notion's free wiki templates to save time and get a polished look instantly. Start by clicking the drop-down arrow next to your workspace name in the top left corner, then select Browse Templates. In the search bar, type Wiki and pick a template that fits your needs, whether it's minimalist or made for team collaboration. Click Add, and the template will appear in your workspace with sections, a home page, and a built-in search bar. Now you can personalize your wiki by adding pages, uploading content, changing layouts, and customizing colors or icons. Add a welcome message or logo to make it feel uniquely yours. Notion makes it easy to gradually tweak your wiki as your needs evolve. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to make gym on Notion. So let's get started. It's quick, minimal, and perfect for tracking your daily fitness routine. Start by typing or table to create a new database. Once it appears, switch the layout to calendar view. This will act as your main workout tracker. For a cleaner look, turn off the database title so the calendar fills the page nicely. Next, let's make adding workouts even easier by creating templates. For example, create a template called Ab Workout. Add a tag like abs, then insert a to-do list with exercises such as crunches, sit-ups, or leg raises. Whenever you create a new workout entry in your calendar and apply this template, all the exercises will automatically appear, saving you time every day. To track how often you work out, simply duplicate the calendar and switch the new copy to table view. This gives you a simple frequency log where you can scroll through dates and see how consistent you've been. And that's it, a lightweight, powerful workout tracker in just a few minutes. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to add Spotify to Notion. So let's get started. First, open Spotify on your device and choose the playlist you want to embed. This can be any playlist: your study playlist, workout playlist, or even one you've created yourself. Once you've opened it, click on the three dots next to the playlist title. From the menu, go to Share, and then select Copy Link to Playlist. This will copy the full URL of your playlist. Now head over to Notion and open the page where you want the playlist to appear. Once you're on the page, simply paste the link. Notion will automatically detect it and show you an option that says Create Embed. Click on that button, and instantly your Spotify playlist will load into the page. After it appears, you can adjust its size. Click and drag the edges or corners to make it wider, taller, or smaller depending on your layout. This is helpful if you're trying to organize an aesthetic dashboard or fit it inside a specific section of your Notion setup. One thing to keep in mind is that embedded playlists in Notion only play 30-second previews of each song. This is a limitation from Spotify, not Notion. So if you're trying to listen to the full track, you'll still need to open Spotify separately, but embedding is still great for quick access and adding a music vibe to your workspace. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to use Notion charts. So let's get started. First, open your Notion workspace and select the database you want to visualize. Notion supports different types of charts like bar, line, pie, and table views through integrations or built-in views. If you're using the built-in method, click plus Add a View on your database, then choose a gallery or board to start visualizing your data in a structured way. For more advanced charts, use the Notion Charts or Indify integration. Copy the chart URL or embed code, then type /embed on your Notion page and paste it. Resize and position the chart to fit your layout. Once embedded, your chart will update automatically as you change the underlying database, making it easy to track progress, compare metrics, or present your data visually. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to make a dashboard for Notion. So let's get started. If you've ever wanted a workspace where your tasks, notes, goals, and ideas all come together in one organized place, this is the quickest way to make everything look clean and visually pleasing without starting from scratch. First, open your Notion workspace and click the drop-down menu in the top left corner. Select Browse Templates and search for Dashboard. You'll see a variety of minimal, aesthetic, and pre-designed templates. Pick one that matches your style, something calm, pastel, dark, or minimal depending on your vibe. Once you find one you like, open it and click Add to bring it into your workspace. Now personalize it to make it truly aesthetic. Change the cover image to something calming or cottagecore, add cute icons, adjust the font style to serif for a softer look, and rearrange the blocks to make everything clean. Replace placeholder text with your own routines and tasks. You can even add widgets like clocks, weather, or quotes to make your dashboard feel more cozy and organized. Once you finish customizing, your Notion will look much more aesthetic and feel like a proper personal space you actually want to use every day. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to set up Google Calendar with Indify Notion. So let's get started. Tired of switching between your calendar and Notion? Let's simplify your workflow by embedding Google Calendar directly into Notion using Indify. First, head over to Indify and select the Google Calendar embed option. Sign in with your Google account, the one linked to the calendar you want to use, and grant the requested permissions. Next, customize your calendar's appearance. Choose a light or dark theme, select the default view month, week, or day, and pick which calendars to display if you have multiple. Once it looks right, copy the generated Indify URL. Now, open your Notion workspace and navigate to the page where you want your calendar. Type embed and select the embed option. Paste the Indify URL and hit embed. Your Google Calendar will load directly in Notion, where you can resize and reposition it to fit your layout perfectly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to set up Notion for budget track. So let's get started. Notion makes it really simple to organize your financial life. And by the end of this video, you'll have your own budget tracker fully set up. Start by going to Notion.com and signing in. If you're new to Notion, creating an account takes just a minute. Once you're inside, look over to the left sidebar. This is where you'll find the Templates section. Templates are great because they save you the trouble of building everything from scratch. Click on Templates, and in the search bar at the top, type Personal Budget. Press Enter, and Notion will show you a range of budget templates designed for tracking income, expenses, savings, and more. Take a moment to browse and pick the one that fits how you want to manage your money. When you find a good one, click Add to bring it into your workspace. Now go back to your left sidebar and open your newly added budget page. This is where you can start customizing, edit categories, rename columns, add your income sources, list expenses, and adjust it to match your lifestyle. Notion lets you personalize everything so the tracker works exactly the way you need. Once it's all set, you'll have a clean, organized budget system ready to use throughout 2025. Just remember to update it regularly to stay on top of your finances. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.